Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best torch for soldering copper pipe that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the LEXI Butane Torch MultiFunction. For a well-constructed soldering torch, customers praise the LEXI Butane MultiFunction Torch for, among other things, having a reliable ignition. It reaches temperatures of 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit and can complete a variety of tasks, whether you want to solder copper pipe or wood burn. This 12-piece butane torch set has a convenient hands-free mode and allows users to adjust the flame length. One happy customer wrote, "A reliable ignition, crisp pencil flame tip and can be made to work one-handed." Another customer commented, "This torch is a convenient size and has a reliable built-in ignition." Moving on at number 4, we have the RXS Butane Torch. Customers felt that the RXS Butane Torch was an overall solid device, which was both durable and easy to use. Other handy torch features include the ability to reach up to 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, an automatic ignition, airflow control to easily adjust the flame length, and a large capacity of 28 grams. One happy customer wrote, "This is a super durable, well-built torch. It blasts and can keep flame for a long time before overheating." Another reviewer explained that it has a very straightforward design, and that it's easy to use, durable, and the flame is incredible and gets as hot as intended. At number 3, we have the Burnomatic Trigger Start Hose Torch. For a portable torch with flame control and a high-intensity swirl flame, the Burnomatic Trigger Start Hose Torch is ideal. It features an instant on-off trigger igniter and a solid brass regulator to burn in any direction, and included in the price is a 5-foot hose. One happy customer wrote, "This is overall a great torch. I have used this to solder copper pipe, with up to a 2-inch diameter. It's highly portable. I like the flame control feature and the instant on and off switch." At number 2, we have the QWORK Turbo Plumbing Gun. A torch popular with many customers who are plumbers is the QWORK Turbo Plumbing Gun. If you're looking for a professional-grade torch that can be used every day, this torch was praised by customers for its durability. The QWORK has a 360-degree swivel, interchange tips, and flame control features. It's easy to clean and is ideal for soldering of plumbing, air conditioning, heating, and refrigeration jobs. One reviewer described it as a professional-grade torch, and added, "The flame tip is narrow and hot, which means the heat hose won't burn the house down." Another reviewer wrote, "I'm a commercial plumber, and this is as good as a turbo torch for a fraction of the price. No complaints here." And finally at number 1, we have the Ivation Trigger Start Propane Torch. The lightweight and easy-to-use Ivation Trigger Start Propane Torch is a good tool for anyone looking for a torch to aid with light-duty jobs, and it's also good value for money too. It has an adjustable flame control function and is suitable for light welding, soldering, brazing, heating, and thawing. One happy customer wrote that it is easy to use and lightweight. Another satisfied shopper commented, "I have used this unit multiple times. The igniter always works. Flame size is easily adjustable and steady." Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.